today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use different but better chords to play Baby by Justin Bieber. Here's middle C for reference. So this tutorial is in the key of C major. The chord progression for the intro and the verse sections are the same, and it sounds like this. Our first chord is C major, with C on the left and C, E, G on the right. Next is G over B, with B on the left and B, D, and G on the right. Next is A minor 7, with A on the left and G, C, and E on the right. For our next chord, next we have C over G, with G on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Next is F major 7, with F on the left and F, A, C, and E on the right. This next chord is C over E, with E on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Then we have D minor 9, with D on the left and F, A, C, and E on the right. Finally, we have F major 7 over G, with G on the left and F, A, C, and E on the right. So again, the chords are C major, G over B, A minor 7, C over G, F major 7, C over E, D minor 9, and F major 7 over G. Now we'll play the chords with the lyrics for the intro. Displayed lyrics, here's verse 1 and 2 sections. Here's a preview of the chorus section. Now our first chord is F major 7, with F on the left and F, A, C, and E on the right. Next is E minor 7, with E on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Then we have A minor 7, which we learned earlier. Then we have D minor 7, with D on the left and F, A, and C on the right. You can make it D minor 9 by adding an extra E at the end. Next is F over G, which is basically F major 7 over G without the E. Then we have A minor 7 again, followed by G over B, with B on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Finally, we have C major, with C on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Again, the chords are F major 7, E minor 7, A minor 7, D minor 7 or D minor 9, F over G, A minor 7, G over B, and C major. So here's the rhythm I will be playing it. One thing you can do to add variation is to add passing notes between E minor 7 and A minor 7, like so. Between E minor 7 and A minor 7, we can play with our left hand G and G sharp, like so. Let's try that again. F major 7, E minor 7, passing note A minor 7, D minor 7 or D minor 9, F over G, A minor 7, G over B, and C major. With lyrics, the chorus is played like this. Is also played for the saxophone instrumental Interlude and also the ludicrous rapping section in the 80s remix. I really like this chord progression and think that if they used this instead of the original, the song wouldn't be one of the most disliked songs on YouTube. What do you think? Do you think this version is better, or do you like the original version?